first sin being lust, and this is a pretty simple one. It's sort of don't lust after sexy documents, and here what I'm saying is don't be fooled by obsessions with pretty fonts and sort of the way your document looks, but do pay attention to formatting. And the point being that style can actually have, style and formatting can have a substantive impact on outcomes. And so I have an example which I like to use to sort of illustrate this point. And it's using an insurance contract, I guess, as the sort of the vehicle. Let's say a windstorm comes through, rips the cables off your house, and sets fire to your favourite shrub, which then sets fire to a house, and your house is burnt down. Now let's assume you have insurance, and you're wondering if you're covered. Well, whether you're covered or not could, believe it or not, depend on formatting. So here I have obviously simplified model of, this insurance policy covers losses arising directly from fire and flood, and then there's an exception except where arising from windstorm. Because that text on the bottom is aligned with the left-hand margin, it's undisputable that it qualifies both coverages. So you lose, is the short answer. If you had indented that bottom paragraph, in other words, if that paragraph was aligned with flood, then it's now arguable and probable that those words qualify only the flood. They exclude the flood coverage, but they don't, so you are covered. And this is what I would call more American drafting, no offence, you put it all in one huge indent paragraph, then the litigators win, because frankly it's completely ambiguous. Do those words at the end qualify both coverages, or do they only qualify the second one? And so this is just a simplistic, but I think pretty unarguable example of how formatting can change the substance of